I'm going to discuss a question in which we need to write a program to read the integers until user enters a negative integer and the count of number of integers will be reaching to 5. So what happens is if the input given reach 5, the count of the inputs reaches 5, then it will terminate. Condition is they should be positive itself. If you enter a negative integer in the middle, the program will terminate. So I'm considering C as the programming language here. So first of all, I'm importing the header files and starting with the main method, main function. Of course, we can write void main also, but I have become familiar with int main, so it has become my habit. So I'm declaring two variables, namely n and I. Why? Because n is the one which we need to scan and I is the loop variable in which we are going to iterate. Why am I considering a loop here? Because we need to prompt a dialog on the screen until until the 5 inputs are taken from the user. So I'm starting from 0 itself. So for I is equal to 0, you can start from 1 also. I is less than 5 and I am incrementing. If you have taken I equal to 1, then you need to give I is less than 6 or I is less than or equal to 5. Whichever is given, there would arise no problem. And here I am prompting user to enter a number, preferably positive. Please enter an integer, preferably positive. I am adding \n for taking the input in the next line. So I need to scan the input. Since we have taken n as an integer, the format specified would be %d. So according to the question, our condition is program should terminate if the number entered is negative. So if it is less than 0, then it should terminate. So I am adding break here, else it would continue and we need to return null 0. So let me execute this. Preferably positive. So I'm into 2, 3, 5, 6, 1. Since I have not entered any negative integers meanwhile, the program did not terminate until it has asked me for the 5 inputs. So let me run this again and see for another example. 4, 9, again 40. Now I am adding negative 9. So -7. So the program has terminated. Hope you have understood this. Thank you.